dol-27 and dol-27 are 30mm robust capacitive sensors specially designed for the harsh environment in livestock houses. The sensors are suitable together with contactors, relays, PLCs, and similar within the agricultural and industrial sectors. dol-27 and dol-27 are immune to EMI, short circuits, and any overload. The sensors have very low power consumption in off state, enabling the possibility for sensors working in parallel on the same contactor. This gives the sensors a unique possibility for controlling cross-auger systems. dol-27 has trimmers with different functions depending on its type. The sensor is adjusted by using a screwdriver. dol-27 settings can be adjusted with the Smart Adjust app. Installation, servicing, and troubleshooting of all electrical equipment must be carried out by qualified personnel. Please follow all of the instructions in the technical user guide, which is found on www.dol-sensors.com. An LED light indicates the status of the sensor. To see data from our sensors, connect them to a farm controller. Sensors from dol-sensors fit all farm controllers or can be adjusted. Learn more at www.dol-sensors.com.